Good day everyone. So now we will have another interactive learning games that we will talk about. And now before to proceed to create interactive learning games, are you familiar with Planeta 42? So Planeta 42 is one of the interactive learning games that students can access and learn. So now in order to assign interactive games through Planeta 42, so the first steps is we can create a on class. So now we will go to the Google Classroom and then you will create class and you will check I already understand the notice above, but I'm not using in class. So class name, so for example BEE 2 section BEE and section is 2C, and then room is 103, subject is science, and then click create and you will wait. And now you have class, and now you will go to steps 2 is to search the Planeta 42 through Google. So you can type Planeta 42 to Planeta 42, and then as you can see meron tayong link, so you can click this Planeta 42 and then it have a lot of topics or subjects. Merong physics, geography, history, logics, but I choose biology. So merong ads, pwede na rin itong you can click X para you will directly go to the, and then you can choose any puzzle here in Planeta 42. So merong DNA puzzle, merong body cell types, but I will choose cell mitosis. So ito, after you will enter the cell mitosis puzzle is you will click this 3 button in the right side ito. So you will click copy link and then you will go to your Google Classroom kung saan you are creating your class kanina. So ito yung class na create ko kanina lang. So dito you will attach the link. So ito add, and then in order your student knows that they have your activities or interactive learning by Planeta 42. So you will create learning objectives dito, learning objectives. So the learning objectives is identify and label the parts or the correct sequence of cell mitosis process, and then through completing puzzle, in Planeta 42. So this is our learning objectives of this interactive learning games, and after that you will post your interactive learning through Planeta 42 na puzzle, and then you can click post in order that your student will answer the interactive learning games. So post, and then you will wait na matapos. So that's how, and now you have interactive learning games that you will assign in your class. So that's how to create Planeta 42 interactive learning games. So I hope you learned something how to create or assign Planeta 42 interactive learning games through Google Classroom. I hope you learned something in my videos, and thank you for watching everyone, and God bless.